How to redeem Barnes& and Noble gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem Barnes& and Noble gift card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is simply open up the website and browse for something that you like. Now after you're here, you simply scroll down and search for what you want to buy. So I'll just buy this. Open this up. You can add this to your cart. Now choose which you want. I'll just use the ebook. And after you choose that, you can add it to your cart. Tap on add to cart and it has been added to your cart. Now head over to your cart, it's right here. And you will see continue to checkout option. Tap on it. After you tap on that, you will see your different options. You can review your order here. And after that, you will see this add membership gift cards and coupons option right here. Now if you have a B&N gift card, you can directly type it in here, and after you do that, your gift card will get applied. If you have another coupon code, you can enter the promo code right here and then tap on apply. And after doing that, your discounts will appear right here, and then you can submit your order and you will get the books. And yeah, that is basically how you redeem the gift cards. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.